using 2 sausages for this spaghetti, meaty spaghetti, because I want it meaty. I like this cut. This is one of my preferences. And here comes the 2 sausages, and that is 1/3 of the ground meat that I'll be using. Okay, this is the 2/3 of the ground meat, and I will make them into meatballs. So I'm adding onion powder. I'm also adding garlic powder, that's a dash, black pepper, cayenne, just a little bit to add some spice, salt, and a little soy sauce, just a little soy sauce, and 1 egg. I have to crack 1 egg. There you go. 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. There you go. And I will mix them using my hands. Alright, smells good. The onion powder and the garlic powder mixed together, they smell so aromatic. Alright, now I'm ready to make them into balls. Not so small, not so big. Okay. Into the pan is olive oil and onions. I like this purple onions because they smell so good. Right, there we go. Alright. Can you hear that sound? And it smells so good. Garlic. Saute for about a minute. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then to the pan, I'm adding the 1/3 ground beef. In the same pan, I'll be putting the meatballs. Okay, I'll just put this meat while it's cooking to the side, and I will put the meatballs here to cook as well. I want to add a little soy sauce, just a little. I always do that. And add olive oil on this side. Then here. Let it cook for a few minutes. We'll turn it to the other side. When it turns brown. While the meats are cooking, I'm boiling water for the pasta. And into the pan goes the salt. Okay, let it continue boiling. Okay, I already have turned the meatballs around. They're cooking on the other side. Now I'm going to add the sausage. Alright, here goes the sausages. It's cooking. Alright. All in one pot. Covering it. Now into the boiling pot is the pasta. There you go. 8 to 10 minutes. Now this is ready. Look at that. The meats are cooked. Now it's ready for the spaghetti sauce. Okay, now I will get water from the pasta. Add it here. Oh, look at that smoke. Okay, there you go. 2 pounds of spaghetti sauce. Okay. Alright, it's getting ready. Let it boil. Cover it. Shaking on my spaghetti, stirring it before I'm going to add the cheese. 2 cups of cheese. it a stir, let it melt, let the cheeses melt. I'm adding brown sugar because my family wants it sweet. I know not all of you will eat spaghetti with sugar, but this is my family. They want it sweet. Not so sweet, but they want it sweet. Okay, just a little bit. Look at the sauce. It's ready. Ooh. Can you see the balls here? Alright, now I'm ready to add the pasta. The pasta's ready, so it's ready to be added to the meat sauce. Ready? Here we go. Ooh. Okay, so incorporate the spaghetti into the meat sauce. Look at that. Looking great, and it smells so awesome. Be ready in just few minutes. Just a few minutes. Just mixing it and it will be ready. Now it's ready to serve. Come on, let's go. Now here's my meaty spaghetti. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.